Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Hootsuite scheduling for consistent social posting step by step clearly. To begin installing Hootsuite for consistent social media posting, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Hootsuite website by typing in www.hootsuite.com. On the homepage, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't have one. Fill in your email address and create a password, then click Sign Up. You may also choose to sign in using your existing Google or social media accounts for quicker access. Once you have created your account, you will be taken to the Hootsuite dashboard. For new users, follow the onboarding prompts to familiarize yourself with the platform. Next, locate the Add Social Network button within the dashboard. Click on it to connect your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram. You will be asked to log into each social media account you want to connect. Grant Hootsuite the necessary permissions to manage these accounts. After you've connected your accounts, navigate to the Publisher tab on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find options to create and schedule your posts. To create a new post, click on the Create Post button. Select the social media accounts where you want to publish the content. Write your post in the text box provided, adding links, images, or hashtags as needed. Once your content looks good, click on the Schedule for Later option. Choose the date and time you want the post to go live. Then click the Schedule button to finalize your post. To review or edit your scheduled posts, return to the Publisher tab. Look for the Scheduled Posts section to see everything lined up for the future. You can make adjustments or reschedule as needed by clicking on any post. Repeat this process for each piece of content you want to schedule. With Hootsuite, you can also set up an automation for reposting evergreen content. Explore the Streams feature to monitor and engage with your audience in real time. Remember to review your analytics to measure the effectiveness of your posts. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up Hootsuite for consistent social media posting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.